We're in Steak and Shake. I've never had this before and I kind of wanted to try it, you know. Saw this sandwich and I'm gonna ask them if they make grilled cheese, because if they do, Lord have mercy. Did mainly come to get a Nutella frappe, I guess you would call it. And they're really slow here on the drive-thru. Cervicaro. I was gonna say it in Spanish. I've never had Steak and Shake. When I heard that they had one here, I was like, yes, please. I'm doing a drastic change on my hair. I'm so nervous. That's when you know it's drastic, you know. And it's tomorrow at 1:45. So I'm supposed to be there probably like at 1:30-ish. But I'm so nervous. Very few people know about it, but I went today to a beauty parlor and I told her, look at my hair. I don't give love to it because I am over this color. I don't like it. Like, I want a change. I showed her the hairstyle, and that hairstyle specifically had a super different color compared to mine. Super different. And she's like, do you want to do that? Because it's gonna completely damage your hair. Just being straight honest. And I love that. I love that she was straight honest, and she was like, look, I don't recommend this because it's gonna damage your hair. That's what she told me. And I was like, no, I just want that hairstyle, but different color. Thank you. Have a great day. You too. This is how it looks. Nothing compared to the picture in the menu. You guys see it? It looks so good. Moment of truth. Yes. Give it to me. Get out of there. No. I'm a sucker for Nutella, so hopefully this is really good. It's good. Actually tastes like the IHOP milkshake. I think I'm gonna get a Subway sandwich. I might be a little late because my appointment is at 1:40 and it's currently 1:16. So I want to have some lunch first. I need to have a strong meal because I don't know how many long hours I'm gonna be there. But hey guys, I didn't even make an intro on this. It's about to be a change. And you guys ain't ready. Oh my god. I'll give you guys a hint since it's the next day and I can probably talk about it a little bit. I'm about to probably chop my hair. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna buy some lunch and then I'll be right back. On my own for my day. I got my Subway. Yeah. So it's currently 1:30. I hope they put a lot of mayonnaise this time. I'm so sad because this is the last vlog that you guys will see with my half vlog that you guys will see with my long hair. I don't have anything else to talk about. Let's hear a little bit of Christmas music. Mayonnaise, yes. Oh my god! What do you think? Oh my god! Yes! I'm not crying, but the hair is hitting my eye and I'm not used to having this type of bangles, but oh my god! You guys! This is a drastic change. I was not going this dark. I'm at a stoplight, so I'm safe, but I will put you guys on my tripod. We went mega short. Do you see this? My boyfriend's gonna kill me when he sees me. The woman, I just have too many things on my mind right now. And the first one is that I need to pee. So I'm on my way to Walmart. I have to go get some birth controls. Oh, I'm on my period and I'm in so much pain. TMI. The woman told me, you look like Selena, the one that died, the one that sings Bitty Bitty Bum Bum. And I actually see it because of the bang. She's like, if you wouldn't have done the bang, you wouldn't have, well, you probably would have kind of looked like her. But now that you did the bang, like, I need a red lip and I am done. I will look exactly like her. She's so bright. Something that I noticed myself is that I look much more alike like my mother now. I felt like I was wearing a wig, I was like, this doesn't look like, and I wanted to chop it more, but now that I think about it, now that it's curly, I'm like, no, this is good. We're good here. I need to be at my boyfriend's work at 7. This is my natural hair color. I mean, it's kind of like that color. I think it's a little bit darker. It's not black, but it's like a dark brown color, and it has hints of like lighter brown colors. My boyfriend's not ready. He didn't know. I don't know if I mentioned to him that I was gonna go darker. I want to film his impression. At the same time, I'm like, don't know. 1:50 was when she started working on me. Right there, literally at 1:40, and she attended me so fast. I love how that beauty parlor works. Honestly, I kind of want to eat another sandwich of Subway. I mean, it's just so good. Figured I would continue my vlogging since we are, I don't know, doing productive things. Hopefully another tornado doesn't pass us, and it looks pretty sunny. They have ugly Christmas sweaters. The pill takes 45 minutes to be done, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm here looking at books. I have my eye in one, which I know, it's just so good. It's Nicholas Spark. I mean, hello. That one. Every breath. It looks so interesting. Is that Nicholas Spark? I don't even know who the author is. Like, I haven't seen him before. I know where to kill time in the book area. It's already 6 o'clock. I'm supposed to be leaving from here like around 6:30-ish, I would say. Isn't she a YouTuber? She's a YouTuber. Baking all year round? This book looks so cute. If only I was a freaking baker. Like, look how adorable this is. This is so cute. Fun fact, I've always wanted to learn how to bake, but I'm probably gonna go pay this now and check if my pills are ready. I feel like now I definitely look a little chubby, which is something I wanted to talk about in a future vlog. I've gotten a few people calling me already that I look chubby / fat, which I honestly don't care. Boyfriend wants new headphones and I want to get him new ones, but they're really expensive, the ones he wants. I think these are the ones that he wants. Hello. Garden for Christmas. I can't tell how much is it, and I don't see it around here somewhere. Maybe they don't have it. I think that they didn't have it at the time that we came and checked. I don't even know if you guys can hear me because I have my headphones on. Okay, I'm gonna go now because I don't want to be late. Christmas songs! I love it! My boyfriend's a Grinch. He hates Christmas songs. The snow is falling down inside my window. I really wanted to film his reaction, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to because I have to get his ID and so I can scan it and open the gate because his work is like private. While I'm doing all that, it's gonna be hard for me to tell him like film and tell him like what do you think, because I need to act fast. I need to get the ID fast and scan it because there's probably gonna be cars behind me waiting to enter as well. We'll see what happens. That just scared the fuck out of me. I was like trying to take a mirror and I went like this and I activated it. Hi guys, so I just got home finally. I haven't been in this house since like a few hours, like 5 or 6 hours, I think more. Yeah, like 8 hours. But I made it home and I wanted to close this vlog with this gorgeous hair. Hopefully this gives me motivation to take care of it and create more cute hairstyles and stuff like that. I'm excited. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy this hair transformation. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like always, I will see you guys on my next video / vlog. Bye. Yes, girl. Hit it with a montage for a close-up. Bye.